Connor. I'm just at bagpipe practice. I'll give you a call when I'm home. Hi, Connor. Sorry, I'm going to be late for a scheduled call. Recorder practice has just started straight away. Jeez, my hands are bleeding. They don't give me a second. But I'll give you a call when I get home, yeah? Guess what instrument that was? 5 seconds. Go, quick. Round 2, guess the instrument, quick.
That's a saxophone.
Wrong!